Hello everyone, my name is Karan Singh and today I will be presenting to you Introduction to Linguistics, especially phonetic and phonology, and why is it important for a TESOL teacher. So, for the first one, linguistic. Linguistic is the study of language. It's look at how we use the language, how we understand it, and how it's worked in linguistics. There are many areas, and two of the main one is phonetic and phonology. We will be focusing on these two in my presentation. So what is phonetic? Phonetic is the study of speech sound. It's focused on how we produce sounds with our mouth, tongue, lips, and vocal cord. For example, when we say the word p, like this p, we close our lips and release air. Phonetic is very physical. It's look at the actual sounds we make. Meanwhile, phonology is different. Phonology is the study of the pattern and rules of sound in a language. Why some words can change their sound and how stress and information affects meaning. For example, in English, the stress in a word can change how it sounds or what it means. So, why phonetic and phonology important for a TESOL teacher? Because pronunciation is a big part of learning English. But students may know grammar and vocabulary. But if their pronunciation is not clear, people may not understand what they're trying to say. As a TESOL teacher, we need to help students say sound correctly, use the right stress, and speak with natural intonation. When we understand phonetic, we can understand how to make sounds step by step. And when we understand phonology, we can explain the pattern and help students use English more naturally. So, in simple words, linguistics help us to understand language. Phonetic is for us to understand sounds. And lastly, phonology help us to understand the rules of the sound. So, together, they help TESOL teacher teach better pronunciation and a clear communication. Thank you. That's all from me.